Welcome to Wolfe Canmore, 707 Railway Avenue in Canmore, Alberta. Today we're looking at this beautiful brand new 2019 GMC Acadia Denali. This vehicle is powered by the 3.6 liter V6 and made it up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is an all-wheel drive, full-size SUV. Once inside the interior of the very luxurious Denali Acadia, we do have the power windows, power folding mirrors. We do have memory seating, power trunk. We do have Bose Performance Series speakers throughout as well. Brown leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, forward collision warning, cruise control, piloted from there. Push-button ignition, 8-inch touchscreen. We do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in there as well. Rear climate controls as well. We have our heated and ventilated seats, automatic shifter knob, beautiful two-tone interior, brown, dark brown on top with the lighter brown on the bottom. Our heated and ventilated seats, beautiful. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Denali Acadia, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package on there, Michelin all-season tires. We do have keyless entry, remote start, LED headlights, LED tail lamps. We got the roof bars up top there as well. Coming to the rear of the vehicle, dual chrome exhaust tips. We do have parking sensors front and rear, as well as the trailer hitch hidden underneath that rear bumper. Taking a quick look back in the interior, our second row, a bench seat, 60-40 split. Both end seats are leather heated. We have car seat ready available as well. You can see the color matched floor liners, heated seats, rear climate control, USB ports. We do have dual sunroofs as well. Quick, easy access to our third row. Two more seats back there, a 50-50 split with the rubberized mats, keeping the car nice and clean. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video of this beautiful 2019 GMC Acadia Denali. If this is your next family SUV, come down and see us here at Wolfe Canmore, 707 Railway Avenue in Canmore, Alberta.